In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact an agent and request a tour in the Zillow iPhone app. First, grab your iPhone and open the Zillow app. If you're already signed in, great. That can make filling out your details faster. If not, no worries, you can still complete everything just fine. Next, use the search bar at the top to find the property you're interested in. You can type an address, a neighborhood, or even a city to browse options. When the results appear, look through the list and tap the specific property you want. That opens the full listing page with photos, price, and key details, which is where you'll find the tools to reach out to an agent. On the listing page, scroll down until you see a section labeled Contact Agent or Request Info. The wording may vary, but both options are designed to connect you with an agent who can answer questions or arrange a showing. When you tap into that section, you'll be asked to enter your name, email, and phone number along with an optional message. Keep the message short and helpful. Mention any specific questions about the home, your preferred contact method, or if you're interested in touring soon. Avoid including any sensitive personal information here. Basic contact details are all that's needed for the agent to reach you. After you've filled out your information, tap Next to submit your inquiry. This sends your request directly through Zillow and starts the conversation with an agent. Right after that, a Take a Tour prompt will pop up. Here, you can choose a date that works for you, or select Not Right Now if you're not ready to schedule. If you do pick a date, try to choose a window when you're flexible, as that can make it easier for the agent to confirm a time. Once you finish with the tour option, you'll see another prompt asking, When are you looking to buy? Choose the time frame that best fits your plans. 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 12 months, or 12 months or more. Answering honestly helps the agent tailor their approach and sets clear expectations for follow-up. Finally, tap Done to complete everything. You should receive a confirmation in the app or by email, and an agent will typically reach out soon to answer questions or finalize tour details. If you don't see a response right away, give it a little time, then check your email spam folder or open the app to review your messages. And that's it. Simple, clear, and ready for your next home search.